honey and beef. In the heart of Abuja, where bees from Sasita Farms flaps their wings with joy to bring home some nectars, stands proud a beekeeping wonderland. From the buzzing hives to golden combs so sweet, Sasita Farms bees gather nature's nectar, a symphony complete, where our bees are nurtured and taken care of. Their wings weave melodies, a harmonious hum, pure natural honey, liquid gold from the comb, a taste of Sasita Farms labor, a gift from our bees. Sasita Farms empowered Nigerians through our technical know-how, creating financial sustainability from one community to another as we make modern beekeeping equipment available.